What's up everybody? This is Spence from Break for Life, Born to Rock crew, here with the third of the basic tutorials. It's a sunny day, so I'm outside on this nice ramp. I'm out to get my first bit of exercise of the day, some essentials, and go to work all at the same time. Today we're doing R.S.C, which some people call an entry. It's just the first turn of a windmill, but you tuck in for a backspin rather than carrying on for a windmill. We did backspin first. If you're not getting a couple of turns, 3 I'd say 4 turns of backspin neat, go back and do that a bit longer. Coin drop, technically you could skip that stage, but really learning coin drop is learning to keep your hips up and your shoulders down, which you really do need for R.S.C and especially for a windmill. Head and shoulders close to the floor for that. So you can carry on, but I would also advise get your coin drop first. So R.S.C, first of all, what is it? That. So going from baby freeze position with your head up, in one go, head goes down, turn the direction that you want to spin, onto your back, tuck and close your legs. So it's not like a coin drop where you suddenly go into it, into the backswing. You've used your legs to turn, do a bit of a turn first as you go into it. It's not a sudden drop, you lower yourself into it. So you can go for it now if you want, but I'll break it down a little bit further, give you some stages that I've used for many years now, and I've seen people get a windmill a bit quicker and cleaner quicker as well, which is what we're all aiming for. So baby freeze position, but with your head up. This is comfortable. You can already do this. If you can't, then you're not ready for R.S.C really. Okay, from there, tip. Head down, feet up. Head down, feet up. Pretty much, your body's moving like a seesaw, not head down, feet down, head up. It's one movement. Once you've got that, repeat 1,000 times. Once you've got that, then swing it. 1, 2. Again, it's even, it's not 1, 2. It's one movement. Head down. Repeat 1,000 times. I'm kidding, by the way. Once you've got that seesaw, I think you've done the hardest bit. When I see people learning R.S.C and then windmill, it's getting that turn at the beginning, which is going to give you a nice spin, I'll give you the power to continue a windmill, that people don't manage to do. They tend to go straight in or at the minimal angle. Once you've got a mill, yeah, you can go straight in at a minimal angle. When you're learning mill, that's going to be hard to recover from. So do that a few times, and then once you get to the point where you've turned head down, quarter of a turn, legs up, your arm, I'll do it this way first, your arm is going like this. Okay, when you do it still like that, it looks like I'm pushing myself away. When you're turning, you won't push yourself away, you're turning into the circle. I'll do it from this angle, so you can see it there, that side. So my arm is just going to come in like this. Like I said earlier, it's not a sudden drop like a coin drop. You are using your arm more like a lever. Pull yourself in, pull yourself in. So for R.S.C entry, we're just doing backspin at the end of this. Okay, start here, get that swing. Okay, last thing, you got your swing, got your body strong, got your arm right. Really important, especially when you're going to continue on the next session onto a windmill, is you are kicking from here, not from here. There's nothing, you're kicking from your thighs and your hips. They got to turn at the same time. One goes up, one goes down, like this. Okay, really important. If you do a scissor kick for R.S.C, yes, you'll get away with it. Scissor kick doing a windmill, it's not going to work. So let's get it right from early, like this. Okay, probably need to have my hour of exercise now, so we ought to head back. Got my essentials, got a nice breakfast to cook when I get in. Yeah, I've not seen anybody else for about 4 weeks now, so maybe I'm getting a bit loopy. Anyway, stay with it, repeat 1,000 times. See you soon, bye.